6 of my favorite hair masks for super dry, damaged hair from bleach, from chemical treatments like keratin. So let's get started. And all of these are like super thick masks. And a plus, they all smell delicious. Start with this one, which is Mise-en-Scene. Everything from this line, amazing, is Korean. If you have tried a Korean hair care, it's just gonna blow your mind. Okay, packaging, super cute. Ugh, this smells divine. Do you see how they're all super thick? This one is the original Perfect Argan Capsule Hair Repair Hair Mask. Okay, is a 6.34 ounce. You can use it once a week. First thing I tried from this brand was their hair serum. Fell in love. I've tried so many hair serums, but nothing like the one from this brand. And they have like 5 different ones for different hair types. Just trust me, I can talk about this brand forever. I'm completely obsessed, and I will try to link this in this video, so check it out. Some favorites, let me know in the comments. I would love to try them. By the way, this is a wig. I make a lot of videos with my dry, damaged, bleach damaged hair. If you want to see them, I'll share with you a lot of different items that I use for my dry damaged hair. If you still haven't tried Carseal, the thing with Carseal is that you have to buy the original. Like, there's so many like websites, and I think if you don't like this, is because you got scammed or something, because there's no way. You have to buy the original from Carseal and you will love it. This is the BNC collagen treatment, another one that's super rich and thick. I like to apply, since I have so much damage, from the roots to my ends, but if that's too heavy for you, do the mid-length to the ends. Okay. They all smell fabulous, like if you're in a 5-star hair salon. Look at this one. I have 2 other jars of this. I can never run out of this. It's rich with collagen and reverts dry, damaged hair to healthy, supple, vibrant, nourishing, and smooth. 10 ounce, okay? So good. You see how thick they are, so a little goes a long way. You don't have to grab like a huge gulp. A little goes a long way, believe me. And the way when you get out the shower, how smooth your hair is gonna feel, you're gonna be obsessed with that feeling. Don't forget to also apply your hair oils after the shower. I have this one. This is the newest one to my collection. I tried it and I was like, oh my god. My hair was super smooth and soft, which is everything I want, instead of it feeling like dry, like a broom. This is amazing. The brand Ecolci, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. This is sulfate free, okay? Another one that's super thick. Look at that. Oh my god, it smells so good. I don't know about you, but I love great smelling hair products. Look at that, dry damaged hair, okay? Dry damaged hair. So it provides deep conditioning and repairing for damaged and dry hair. We have another one from Carseal. This is the Maca Essence Repair Collagen. This one is a 16 ounce. It cleanses chemically treated hair, relaxes the tense scalp. Oh, they smell divine. I don't think I have a backup of this one, which is crazy. I just realized that. When it comes to Carseal, be careful. Make sure you get the original. It's a long quality treatment right here. This one from Color Wow. I love Color Wow's, what is it called? Their spray. It's also in a bottle this color. The Dream Coat spray, I don't know, I love it. It does wonders for my hair. Advanced Repair and Resurfacing Treatment. One that's super thick. I also have the shampoo and conditioner. I really like the brand Color Wow. When you start dreaming anything is possible, imagine even the most dehydrated puffy hair becoming glassy and silky, resurfaced and reborn. Hangs and swings in perfect alignment. Wow, great mask. It smells great, and all these masks, you can use them in the shower. Leave them on from like 5 to 10 minutes. Line from Vegamore, all their hydrate line is specifically for dry damaged hair. This is the mask, And this is a deep moisture repair mask made with Carmitin. Okay. With Carmitin, look at that. I just used their leave-in conditioner today. And I also use their hair serum. That's why, like, you can see, like, I have a lot of hair growth. Like, from January to June, I have a lot of hair. Like, my hair grows, and the new hair that's coming out is healthy, is strong. I don't insert pictures. You can always go watch my videos. But this is a great line. Like, more, I use, like, their shampoo and conditioners, and it just is so good for your scalp. Let me know which one you're getting.